Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install your first game on Playful Rewards using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone, open the app, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you will see a list of available games. These games usually show reward amount, task details, install button. Choose any game you like and tap on install or play now. After tapping install, your iPhone will open the App Store. Tap get, then confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Wait a few seconds for the game to download. Once installed, go back to the Playful Reward. Tap open game from there. This step is important so Playful Rewards can track your progress. Now start playing the game. Follow the tasks shown in the Playful Rewards like reach a level, play for a few minutes, complete missions. Your progress will track automatically. Once the task is completed, your reward will be added to your account. And that's it. That's how you install your first game on Playful Rewards on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.